EasyDens is a handheld density measuring device developed by Anton Paar. Chapter 1. Here's what you need to set up your EasyDens. The EasyDens device. 2 Luar adapters. A 30 cm silicone hose with a Luar lock adapter. A 10 ml syringe. A smartphone or a tablet with a Bluetooth low-energy interface, which most of the recent generations of smartphones or tablets have, and the installed EasyDens app. A protection cover for your EasyDens is sold separately, shipped with 2 O-rings. Chapter 2. Setting up your EasyDens. First, remove the foil from the batteries. Install the 2 Luar adapters. If you like to use your EasyDens with the optional protection cover, put it over the device now, and make sure to put 1 O-ring on each of the Luar adapters before installing them. Now you need to conduct a leak tightness check. To do so, fill an empty syringe with air. Press down the piston while holding your finger on the release valve on the device. If the piston goes back up, the adapters are installed correctly. If not, the adapters need to be adjusted. Connect the waste hose with the Luar lock adapter to the adapter on the device, and put the end of the hose into the waste container. Now switch on the EasyDens by pressing the button on the front of the device. Open the app on your smartphone or tablet while Bluetooth is active. Press Measure, and the app automatically links to the instrument. Chapter 3. How to degas your sample. There are 4 ways to degas your sample. 1. By stirring the sample. 2. By using a syringe. You fill the syringe with your sample, put your finger on top of it, and pull the piston to create a vacuum. When you release your finger, the CO2 will discharge. Repeat the process for at least 3 times to make sure no CO2 is left in the sample. 3. By putting the sample into an ultrasonic bath for up to 10 minutes. Four. By shaking. Please filter your sample if it contains particles larger than 1 millimeter. Chapter 4. How to fill and measure your sample. Draw up 10 milliliters of sample with your syringe. Attach the syringe. Fill the sample into the measuring cell. Leave the syringe attached. Check for bubbles in the cell. If there are any, please try to degas your sample again. If there are none, proceed by reading your measurements results. Choose your measurement unit by selecting the appropriate icon. Chapter 5. How to clean your EasyDens. Rinse 10 milliliters of warm distilled or deionized water through the measuring cell. Once a week, please use a suitable lab cleaner. Let it soak for up to 5 minutes and rinse with distilled or deionized water afterwards. If you haven't used the instrument in a while, please rinse with ethanol, followed by warm distilled or deionized water. Chapter 6. How to check if the device's results are accurate. Fill distilled or deionized water slowly into the instrument. Now read the density values and compare them to the correct values in the instruction manual. If the check failed, please clean the measuring cell and readjust your EasyDens. To do so, please refer to the manual. Chapter 7. Additional help. For additional help, please see the Help section in the EasyDens app.